Now on our EURJPY app. So please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now as we can see on our EURJPY, we actually had this bullish move, I think day before yesterday and yesterday, and now our price has actually opened bearish. But before that, as we can see here, we are actually having something called a double top. By the way, when our price actually pushes up, we actually saw this fall, and now we have actually come again, push up, and definitely we are actually going to be falling again, giving us like a M movement. This is exactly where we are aiming to actually take profit on our EURJPY for the day. So I'm still seeing a fall on our EURJPY, and another reason why our euro will be falling against our JPY is that our JPY index, as we can see here, has actually hit this our support area here. And once it has hit our support area, it is now time for us to actually go bullish. Exactly what we are aiming for on our JPY index. It is now, we are actually now planning to go bullish, and guess what? Our price opens bullish, by the way, and now we are going bullish. Any pair we are trading to, our JPY should actually be falling. Our JPY is going bullish, then any pair relating to it should actually be falling. Now we can see it on our EURJPY. Our EURJPY has opened bearish, and we will continue to go short on our EURJPY. Let's at least grab here a take profit here for today. That should giving us about 200 plus pips, then a breakout and continue bearish move on our EURJPY. So we are actually seeing a fall on our EURJPY for today. Grab here as take profit, and if you want to go long for the week, you can actually set it as a take profit. That is exactly what I believe. We actually see an M movement on our EURJPY. Now on our 4-hour time frame, as you can see here, still actually see a fall, as this place is actually a legitimate way to actually take profit if you want. As you can see, our price would actually be reacting here, so a legitimate way to take profits. And if you want to go long, you can actually wait here to actually take your profit. So let's try and set our moving average time period. You can see our price is still above it, by the way, so it's still an indication of a bullish move. But you can see on our 1-hour time frame, it has broken below our 10-period moving average. That is, our price is actually going down, so we want to be going short. Want to short our EURJPY here, then probably continue shorting it for the week, or see a retracement and shorten it on our EURJPY for the week. So don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful, like and share. Thank you.